is Eric Calonge from OpenPinoy.com. I would like to explain about the CCTV installation today. To set up a CCTV surveillance system in your property, you need to have these following contents: CCTV camera with adapter, DVR, digital video recording system, cable to connect camera on DVR, monitor to watch an image from the CCTV camera.
First of all, attach the CCTV camera to the extension cable. We have two plugs, yellow and red. Yellow one is for video data, and we call this socket B and C. Red one is for power. Power adapter will be attached on it. The other side of the extension cable needs to be attached on the DVR and adapter. To make sure that we have the power on the camera, simply hide the IR sensor from the light. If you can see the infrared light out, it means CCTV camera has power. Do not put the power on the DVR yet. And then, to watch the image of the CCTV camera, we need to have the connection between monitor and DVR. VGA cable from the monitor needs to be attached on the DVR VGA plug. Now, turn on the monitor and DVR. After we turn on the monitor and DVR, we are able to watch the image what CCTV camera makes. And we can maximize the screen number 1 to make it full screen on the monitor. As you can see, the CCTV installation is quite simple and easy. Do it your own is possible in OpenPinoy. Thank you very much.